Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about map method. So don't get confused with the map object. It's an inbuilt object, so standard inbuilt object, something like that. So it's the part of array, you know array object or constructor, anything you want to say. And what this method does and create a new array with the result of calling a provided function. That means it gonna already has a function and every element in the array. So what we're gonna do is just give you an example of var array1 equals, create something like 1 comma 4. Why I'm gonna give him 4, you will understand why. And after 9, and 16, I think you already get it by now. Now what I'm gonna do is use the const and map1 equals array1 dot map and pass x, use the fatal function and x into 2. So what it does is it takes each of them as a x, and then it will multiply that and makes that x again. Someone says, something makes again great again. So after that 4, we will take the 4, 4 into 2, it will be 8 here, and here it will be 16, like that. So you get the point, I think. And log in on a console map 1. When we do that, it's gonna give you the double the amount. 1 becomes 2, 4 becomes 8, 9 becomes 18, and 16 becomes 32. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.